this is the latest tool from the ABC tab. This tool can receive information from other files or programs, which extends the functionality of the printer. One AB icon can receive information from a file that we downloaded from a USB card, and the second AB icon can receive information from third-party programs that can be connected via a COM port or Ethernet interface. I'll show you how to download this from a CSV file. When we install a flash drive with a file, we need to click the icon on the file and select it. Here is the data structure in the file. After each print, the data will descend to the next line. Let's look at the result. We see everything that was in the CSV file. We can also limit the width of the characters to be printed, and choose a fixed width mode. We can also specify which character the print will start with. So let's take a look at the result. Great, we got the first line to print from the uploaded file. Thanks for your attention. Thank you for watching our training lessons. We will be very happy to cooperate. We produce various printers for labeling products. For all questions, you can write to the mail or go to our website. Together we make life better. See you soon.